Hey, my name is Elysa and welcome to Reviews Made Easy. I have my co-pilot here, Mr. Leo. Say hello. If you want to connect with Mr. Leo, you can find him on Instagram at Leo the Lion Puppy. But thank you so much for tuning in to Reviews Made Easy. The reason that I wanted to start this YouTube channel was because I often go online to check out different products and services, and I often find that the reviews that I find are from digital media influencers or they're from celebrities. And when I'm really trying to find out more about a product, I want to hear it from someone that's just like me, just an average person. So hopefully my goal of this channel is to provide you with information and insight on different products that I personally have tested out. I'm going to give you the most truthful, honest feedback that I have on those products. And the products that I'll be reviewing are things like beauty, fashion, accessories, different platforms that I've used to buy and sell different fashion. We'll probably get into some pet products as well and different things like that. So if you have any ideas on different items that you'd like me to review or check out, I certainly would love your feedback. Please feel free to add any questions or comments within the comments section below. And certainly don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel so that way as new reviews come in, you are automatically updated. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I will definitely talk to you soon.